Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Shopify Balance to your bank account step by step clearly. To withdraw from Shopify Balance to your bank account, first, log into your Shopify account. Once logged in, navigate to the Balance section on the Shopify admin dashboard. Click on the Withdraw Funds option. You will see your current available balance displayed on this page. Select the amount you want to withdraw. Next, choose the bank account you want the funds to be sent to. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you'll need to do that first. Click on the Add Bank Account button. Enter your bank account details accurately. Make sure to include your account number and routing number. Review the information you have entered to ensure it is correct. After verifying your details, click Save to link your bank account. Now return to the Withdraw Funds page. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw once more. Review the withdrawal details one last time. If everything looks correct, click the Confirm Withdrawal button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal is being processed. The funds will typically take 1 to 3 business days to appear in your bank account. Check back on your bank account after a few days to see if the funds have arrived. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Shopify Help Center for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.